gotta repark my car. Look at how shitty I parked last night. It's kind of unacceptable. But today we're gonna be doing a top service oil change. It's a B9 S4, of course. Oh man, it's a little smoky today. Liquid moly. A pump or your oil. It's very useful for doing a top service using this fluid extractor. Here is the OEM filter that I ordered from Amazon. I would do this service every 5,000 miles, but every 15,000 miles I would do a bottom service, so I would actually take it to a shop. So here is where we want to extract out the oil. I had already used a clamp to take this out because I couldn't do it with my hands. It was pretty hard to take off. Looks like this. Has two O-rings. Obviously we don't have a dipstick in this case, and we're just gonna insert our fluid extractor into this tiny hole. Ventilation here as well. Just open this up. Gonna hit the bottom and we're gonna start pumping. Oil coming out. There should be about 7-ish liters in there of fluid. This thing only holds 6.5. That's why I told you to like bring an extra.
Check.
It's just like a little bit over, but not too bad. I loosen it.
Yeah. No, this was all you. Yeah, I didn't do nothing.
All right, just slowly leave it.
Yeah.
Just let it sit. Yeah, we're good. Dude, why am I so weak? Here's where we are, halfway. Still working through it. Have to release the pressure and then to repump. Just press this button. Let's take this off. After we drained it, we're just gonna click on this. Just gonna pop out. Little O-ring, just gonna replace this. Finding out. Right. Throw that in. Yep. Nice and lubed. Sounds like it fit. Like wipe around here?
Yeah, you just wipe all the old oil out of there.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Out of the whole thing.
I can do that. It's 7 1/4 maybe liters.
Kind of like you're pouring beer into a cup, so you know.
Right, but this is not a beer cup.
Middle, because you'll pour over here. Hold it back here, and you'll pour in the middle. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I guess that makes sense.
Perfect. Look at that.
Professional.
Oh, you're probably not even. Oh, you resting on the freaking car? That's cheating.
Exactly.
That's cheating.
Why would I not? That's not, I need my...
All right, here we go for pressure check.
We are waiting for 2 minutes for the engine to be warm, and we switched it off and it should tell us the oil change levels.